Okay, last slide. Let's just review domain and range again, in case you've forgotten. We did these a while ago. The domain is all the x values. The range is all the y values. So when you look at a parabola always goes like this. It goes up forever, and it goes up forever to the left and up forever to the right. So it's actually going left forever and right forever also. So the domain, how far does it span to the left and to the right? Well, it goes all the way left and all the way right. So it goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. That's always the domain of a quadratic function. The domain of a quadratic function is always negative infinity to positive infinity, because it's always going to go left and right forever. The range, well, it depends on if the parabola is going up or down. The range, so it's either going to go up forever or it's going to go down forever if it's upside down. So the range is basically always going to start at the bottom point and go up. Or it's going to start at the top point and go down. So for this graph to the left, the range begins at the minimum value of the function, which is 1. See that? So this is 2 comma 1. So the y value is 1. And then, so the range is, the lowest range value is 1, and then it's going to go all the way up forever, which means to infinity. So 1 to infinity. But remember, you write it a special way. You write the 1 with a square bracket, and you write the parentheses with a round, or write the infinity with a rounded parentheses. So that's the range. Very simple. Okay? Let's do 6a together, and then 6b will be your homework. One problem for homework. Nice and easy. So the vertex is whatever those coordinates are. It looks like -5, comma, -3, right? -5, comma, -3. Is it a min or a max? Well, it's at the top, right? Because this one's upside down, so it's at the top, which makes it a max. The domain is always negative infinity to infinity. Always, for a parabola, it's always negative infinity to infinity. The range, now this one's going downward, so it's going to go down to negative infinity, and its highest point is this y value right here, right? The highest point that this graph reaches is this number right here. That's the highest y value. So negative infinity to -3 is your range. And the negative infinity gets the parenthesis, and the -3 gets the bracket, like that. Okay? So your homework is just this one problem right here, 6b. Homework.